VanEck files ADA form for spot Ethereum ETF. Julius Smith last updated, June 26, 2024 at 24 GMT plus 3 2-minute read. VanEck filed for an ADA form Tuesday morning in hopes of successfully securing their spot Ethereum ETH ETF approval, according to a new filing with the second. VanEck files latest form for spot ETH approval. If approved, the ADA form would grant the investment management firm's clients the ability to trade products on the exchange following spot ETH approval. Senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Balchunas said in a June 25 X post that while the filing is just a part of the process, it could signal a potential timeline for the second's actual approval date, as VanEck filed the same form exactly 7 days before the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs in January. Good sign for our July 2nd under 7 days from now, Balchunas stated. But again, anything pause. Sure, we'll hear more soon. Second Chair Gary Gensler sets timeline for ETH ETFs. News of the VanEck filing comes just 1 day after the company's CEO James VanEck posted a photo to X prominently featuring a photo of Second Chair Gary Gensler with the caption, "Guess where I'm starting my week." In a statement following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in January, Gensler claimed the decision should in no way signal the Commission's willingness to approve listing standards for crypto asset securities, prompting spot ETH ETF speculation by the crypto community at large. In Senate testimony earlier this month, however, Gensler indicated that spot ETH ETFs would most likely be approved sometime over the course of the summer. The federal regulator, long known for its regulation by enforcement approach to the digital asset sector, has been encumbered with registration filings by spot ETH ETF hopefuls in recent months. Last month, the second formally approved several candidates' Rule 19.4 forms certifying the listing and sale of ETH ETFs. True passage will only happen once the government agency greenlights an initial registration form known as the S1 form. Is growing U.S. political pressure shifting emerging crypto regulations? In a recent interview with Crypto News' Rachel Wolfson, fellow Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffart called the second's near approval of spot ETH ETFs a complete political decision amid growing political ahead of the November 2024 U.S. presidential election. Current U.S. President Joe Biden has faced increasing pressure to lighten his stance towards digital assets or else risk losing a key demographic that could potentially swing the election in his favor. We think it was a complete 180 from the second, Seyffart said. However, whether or not spot ETH ETFs are approved sooner rather than later is currently unclear. Follow us on Google News.